Okay, so here I'm doing a Holden Cruize wiper replacement. I purchased a tried-on TBL 24 and another TBL one for the smaller blade. I don't know what number that was at this moment in time. I purchased that as a replacement, and what you need to do for the Holden Cruize, you need to use this C1 adapter on the blade, which is it looks like this. It's this one. It's the bottom one out of these three here. So you have to take off the existing blade. You twist the blade around like this, so it's pointing right towards the end, and then there's a little clip to press down, and then you push the blade towards the windscreen, and then you've got to do some gymnastics to put it in the right sort of angle to slide it off the blade, and you end up with you can see a little hook there, so it has a hook. So then you want to clip that C1 adapter onto the new blade. You clip it on at the bar there in the centre. Just goes like that, and there we go. And then you're going to slot that into the hook on your windshield, and then the job will be done. I'll put it backwards. So this tab, I think, goes that way. Hooks in and around like that, and just up like that and clip.